Good morning. I'm here in Coronationville where I came to see for myself and speaking to some residents about the issue of the ongoing water shortages. Now I've engaged and we will make a collage of videos, but it's very clear, lack of infrastructure, poor communication and lack of maintenance remains to be the main issue for residents in this area. This needs urgent solution. We need urgent solutions, and this needs to be addressed as a matter of urgent priority.
My naam is Belinda. Ek bly in Bronston in Westbury en ek het nooit water nie. As die water kom, dan is dit drup. Okay, plak gepraat van hier. Hier by die winkel moet ons aan een water gaan haal by die mosk. Ons het glad nie water nie. Die oorkantse water kan ons gebruik nie. Oorkant jy by die sel kan ons nie gebruik van die water as die skoon nie.